Hi guys, welcome to Cold Chai Ceiling Fans. We got an old vintage fan. I don't know what brand it is, but this is one of the oldest ones here. This one wobbles like crazy, which I gotta be careful with. Let's test out the light out. Alright, that light sort of works. Alright, it works pretty fine. Alright, let's start low. Alright. We'll get ready to see how wobbly this thing is. It's pretty bad. Look at it. See it wobble crazy? Yeah, that's pretty sketchy. Ugh. It was about to fall, I can tell. Alright, let's go medium. But we gotta turn it back on, because it'll be easier to do that. Now here's medium, guys. It's not this wobbly on medium, but on high it'll get even faster. It'll get crazy on the next speed. Alright, that's medium. Not that quick. I mean, not that wobbly on medium. Alright, let's turn it off really quick. Flat speed. We got high. This is the moment of truth. Here we go. I'm turning it off. You see that part? It's about to fall. Yeah, that is sketchy, man. I'm not gonna use that. I feel like it's gonna fall and I'm not gonna be a part of it. Oh, yeah, it's so sketchy. Alright, see you guys. Bye. That was crazy.